the weight.
Are you fishing, Hadyn?
Those little brim can't eat that minnow.
If you bring him up, I'm going to change the hook and put him on.
Just leave it right there. I won't fish to come get that back.
What are you doing, Hadyn?
They were hitting that weight.
Did you catch a fishy?
You got to pay attention.
Pull it up. Look, did you catch a
When
fish?
you see that bobber go down, you got to jerk it back just a little bit. Not a lot, but just a little, just a little.
Caught a fish.
You got to set that hook.
Trying to snag him, Trace, when he starts making it bob up. And
Easy,
down, you gotta give
easy.
a little tug.
He's just standing there with a pole in his hands.
Trace is watching everything else.
He's like, whatever.
Oh, could I pass this one?
No, let Daddy see if he can get you.
There's too many people around here. We don't need to be hooked.
Tighten that line up a little bit.
Pull it back a little, Trace.
Tighten that line up a little bit.
Pull it back, Trace. That's what Daddy's telling you. Tighten it up.
Reel it in just a little bit. Reel it in a little bit.
I can see a fish.
Stop. Right there.
There's lots.
Trace doesn't have the attention span for fishing.
Hayden, you caught a fish.
There it is.
Hayden is
You
catching.
should have pulled on it right then when that thing pulled. It took off with it. You're supposed to jerk on it a little bit.
Look, you caught one. You caught one.
Pull it back just a little.
Catching fish.
Tyler was like, "Are you guys ready?"
So
to go
where's your home?
fishing?"
Where are you from?